Hello, everyone. Now I will introduce to you the PROFINET I/O communication application of Huceen H7-1200 and Huceen HD200SP. Huceen HD200SP is a distributed remote I/O device, mainly consisting of a network interface module, a base, and an I/O module. Open the programming software. Create a new project. You can name the new project as HD200SP. Then go to Project Tree. In Project Tree, double-click Add New Device. Select to add a 1200 controller. The CPU model is set as CPU 1215C DC RLY. The order number is 6ES72151 HG310XP0. Then click OK. After entering the device view, you can click the Ethernet interface on the CPU. Configure the Ethernet parameters. Set the CPU's IP address to 192.168.0.10 and add APN or IE subnet here. First, switch to the Network View interface. In the Hardware catalog on the right side, find the Distributed I/O tab. After unfolding, locate ET200SP and select the PROFINET option under the Interface module. Continue to expand and select the module with the order number 6ES7-1556AU0-10BN0 in IM155-6 PN-ST. Drag it onto the Network View interface to connect with PN or IE_1. Second, double-click IM155-6 PN-ST to enter the Device View interface. Complete the configuration of the I/O module. In this example, the I/O module included is 4 16-DO modules. Expand the ET200SP under the right hardware directory. Find the DQ tab in the DQ16X 24V DC 0.5 Ampere ST option. Select the module with the order number 6ES7-1326BH0-10BA0 in it. Drag it to the corresponding slot. Here, drag and drop 4 modules into 4 slots respectively. Click the corresponding DQ module. In the property bar, you can view the used output address. For example, the output starting address of the first module is 2, and the ending address is 3. The starting address of the second module is 4, and the ending address is 5. The starting address of the third DQ module is 6, and the ending address is 7. The starting address of the fourth DQ module is 8, and the ending address is 9. First, click on the Ethernet interface on the Interface module. Set the IP address of the module to 192.168.0.12 in the property bar. Modify the PROFINET device name to HD200SP. And then download the entire project to the PLC. Second, after the download is completed, switch to the Network View interface. Select the PROFINET I/O system. Click the Assign Device Name icon on the menu bar. In the Assign PROFINET Device Name dialog box that pops up, set the type of the PGPC interface and PGPC interface properly. Click the Update List button. At this time, the software will automatically query the relevant information of the online HD200SP. If the displayed PROFINET station name is inconsistent, you can click the Assign Name button to assign the PROFINET station name, so that the actual PROFINET station name of the HD200SP is consistent with the configuration. Note that when the PROFINET station name is inconsistent, PROFINET communication cannot be established. After the communication is established, the PN status indicator light on the HD200SP is displayed in green, indicating that the communication connection is normal. And the status indicator of each module shown on the programming software monitoring page is also green, indicating that the communication has been established. The following can be done to modify the values in QB2 and QB3 by monitoring the table. And it can be seen that the indicator light on the first module will light up the corresponding output indicator according to the amount of the written value. The above is an introduction to the PROFINET I/O communication application of Huceen H7-1200 and Huceen HD200SP. Thank you all for watching.